Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So we will be doing this reading passage. That reading passage name is The History of Soap. So that was part of IELTS exam in Canada. Okay, so one of my student had reported me on my WhatsApp. So we are doing, that's why. And as you have noticed in Indian IELTS exam also and others also, the history of pencil, history of silk, history of coffee, so many readings relating to history kind of thing. So we will be doing it. Let's start with first type of question, that is true false. So first type of question is true false not given. Second is complete the flow chart. So third, another type is also fill in the blanks. So let's start with first, that is true false not given. So how to do true false not given? It's important to read the statement and try to find out its meaning and come up with one or two keywords. So here I can see discarded, we will see at the end, but bio rubbish and current research. So its printing is not good actually. So current research, wherever they will be talking, of course same word you will not get. Today also you can get, and studies also you can get. Bio rubbish is important to find whether these researcher or research is working on a way to make soap from discarded bio rubbish. Then we will find the things, and definitely if they are trying, if this research studies is working on a way how to make soap with bio rubbish, then definitely true. And if nothing is given about bio rubbish and current research and all not given, and if they are working on a way to make soap from some different material, then false will be there. So I am showing you full location and questions also. Let's find first paragraph. Bio rubbish substance everyone uses day is soap, whether it is for washing our hands. First paragraph is always introduction about the topic. Technically, soaps are ionic compounds from fatty acids. They are used for a variety of cleaning purposes. Soaps allow particles that cannot be dissolved in water. Okay, soluble, washed away, although made in a different way. Synthetic detergents operates in a similar fashion. So this is not the location for our question. Nothing we have found here. Now second paragraph I am showing you. The human skin is under daily attack from various things such as scorching sun, dying, cold weather. So distant ancestors preserve health of skin is a better and longer life. Popular in different civilizations. The benefits also managed to appeal a wide European population in 17th century. Okay, since the tradition of maintaining high personal hygiene with its ability to clean clothes. So I am not getting bio rubbish, I am not getting any current research, so I will just mark it not given. Okay, so next, soap has enjoyed widespread popularity in Europe for over 1,000 years. So Europe word is here, popular word is here. So let's read it, and we have to find whether this popularity in Europe for 1,000 years or 500 or 200 or something like that. So let's read it. Popular in different civilizations, as the benefits of soap finally managed to appeal to a wide European population in 17th century, and since then the tradition of maintaining high personal hygiene has experienced. So this is the location. Now you decide it. I am showing you full location as well as question. Now you decided, I am pausing it. You pause the screen also. So here they are saying widespread popularity in Europe, it is exactly given, but over 1,000 years is not given. 17th century is just we are living in 21st century, and they are talking about 16th century. Then it is sure it is false, because it is not 1,000 years. Okay, third question. One similarity of many ancient soaps is that they all used fat as an ingredient. So fat, ancient soap. Okay, ancient word, after that we will get ancient. The first concrete evidence we have a soap like substance is called dated around 2800 BC. The first soap makers were Babylonians, and all of them made soap by mixing fat. Fat is also there, and fat of course in first paragraph also. Soaps are iconic compounds from fatty acids and they are used for a variety of cleaning. So here also they are talking, means they are talking this here about recent usage of soap, and here also they are talking about ancient. Here we are looking for ancient soap. One similarity, yes, of course, similarity is this. The first concrete evidence we have a soap like substance dated back. This is ancient soap. The first soap makers were these persons, all of them made soap by mixing fat, oil and salt. Soap was not made used for bathing, and also many things are there, so we can just mark it true. Now next question, early soap. Early soap, here it is given early soap, I have read it somewhere. Early soap was an inexpensive product due to an easy availability of ingredients, okay, as well as so here they are saying soap was not early, means they are talking what old one is. All of them made by this and this. Soap was not made and used for bathing and personal hygiene, but was rather produced for cleaning utensils or goods, was used for medical purpose. According to Roman legend, their natural soap was first discovered called soap where animals were sacrificed. So what the statement is saying, early soap was an inexpensive product due to an easy availability of ingredients. Inexpensive product. So we are looking for rain to personal hygiene. So rather used for cleaning utensils and all, was used for medical purpose. Rain, we are looking for whether it was available for less rates or high, we are looking for that. Was not made, okay, according to this, where women were washing. Unfortunately there is no, okay, soaps today come in these principles, they're humans. So throughout these third passage also, second also, I haven't found this location actually. All of them made by fatty. Soap was not made used for clothing, personal hygiene, but was rather produced for cleaning. So was, according to this, their natural was. Early soap was an inexpensive product due to the easy availability of ingredients. So ingredients are okay, made by this, and soap was not made. Easy availability is given, but directly it is not given. So either we can mark not given or false. Now you decided and tell me, because I am also confused. This is the location. Here if you have found, because these things, ingredients are there, and early location, early soap, this is the location, but inexpensive thing I am not getting it, and as well as easy availability of ingredients is not there. So what I should mark, not given or false. Now let's do next question. No more than 2 words. No more than 2 words complete the floor. Soap production dash are removed by heating the raw material. Okay, let's move to next paragraph. 3 principal raw materials are chosen according to my including. So let's move to next. Here it is not given like that. So here finished product. In ancient times, soap was, yes, we got the location here. Early soap, early ancient times, soap was made from animal fats and wood ashes. Today it is still produced from vegetable or animal fat. The main source of fats are beef and mutton, while palm and all. In early beginnings of soap making, it was exclusive technique used by small groups of small. So it means location we are getting here. So for this question, early soap, so now we got the demand for early soap was high, but it was very expensive, and there was a monopoly on soap production in many areas. This paragraph I was not shifting to next paragraph, that's my mistake. Soap was still expensive, so it means it is clearly given soap was expensive, so it is false. Okay, without looking at the location, how I was just confused and I asking you your opinion about not given and false, but actually we have got the location. Now coming to next, fill in the blanks. We are looking for soap production. So next paragraph, here I can see soap production. 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 Soap produ the process they are talking about are removed by heating the raw material. Raw material is here, so what is removed? To remove impurities. So we will write here impurities. If you write full answers, all answers, then capital letter, then it's okay. And if you write accordingly, then here you can write first letter capital I. Next question. So next, saponification takes place by adding a strong. Okay, this is saponification word is there, which involves adding a powerful is strong, alkali. Okay, now next one. Glycerin undergoes treatment and refining is then sold. Okay, glycerin. So on the basis of soap and glycerin, the glycerin is recovered by chemical treatment followed by evaporation and refining. So let's follow the sentence structure. And refining is given. See this? And refining. So it means evaporation should come here. It is important to keep in mind the words before and the words after the blank. Then definitely you will get correct answer. Sometimes the 70% we can get answer with this trick. Sorry. 8th question. Now I am looking for the neat soap. Then it converted to pellets. Pellets also evaporation is important. The next process is vacuum drying to convert neat soap for pellets also. So what we are looking for? Using vacuum spray drying the remaining depends on the soap's chosen property. Okay, the moisture content of the pellets will be determined by the desired characteristic of the soap bar. The next processing is neat soap covered to pellets. Pellets is given using vacuum. Vacuum is also there. Spray drying to convert the moisture content of the pellet. Remaining moisture we can write here. The remaining the moisture of the pellet, content of the pellet will be determined by the desired characteristic of the. So this is characteristic means property. So here moisture will come. 9th, an amalgamator adds. Now words after blank important. Amalgamator word is here. See this? We are looking for this. Adds, in which soap pellets are blended together with fragrance shades. Color is shades and all other ingredients and additional components. So we can write here fragrance. So here next the finished soap. Soap is cut word is here, and by a stamped into its final shape in a soap press. So it means we can write here soap press. Now let's do next question. Complete the sentences below. No more than 2 words. Okay, so this is a good example of any IELTS reading for finding the location for fill in the blanks. Complete the sentences. More complex soap. So next paragraph we will go one by one. We will find the location. So complex soap. More complex soap were developed as a result of improvement in technology and chemical advancement word is here, and I will show you the location full. So this is the paragraph and we have got location. More complex soap dash were developed as a result of improvement. So here in IELTS reading fill in the blanks specifically what they in this is full sentence. So what they are talking at the end part, in the end part of the sentence, they will talk initially, they will talk first part of the sentence in location. See this, the history of liquid soaps and gels started only recently when technology, chemical advancement of the modern age enabled countless investors to start experimenting with more complicated recipes. So recipes. See this how they have done paraphrasing. Now absence. Next question. The absence of a dash on the skin. Absence. Okay. The first appearance of liquid soap happened in the mid 1800 with the exploit of several inventors. What they want. Absence of a dash on the skin after washing is one of the benefit of using shower gel. The first appearance liquid soap happened in this. However, popularity of this product would not arrive until the creation of this soap in this. Absence of pH balance. No, it means next paragraph, one paragraph is also left. So next question, the absence of a dash on the skin. So these are the words, they will take us to the location of this blank. After washing is one of the benefit of shower gel. So shower gel is that the main difference between liquid soaps and shower gels is that gels do not contain saponite oil. They are based mostly on petroleum, having numerous chemical ingredients that help the easier clean of skin. Rather leather better in hard. Okay, they do not leave residue on the skin and bathtub. On the skin, so it means we will write residue. Okay, now 13th, a poor pH balance I have, yeah, a poor pH balance in soap can cause dash for users. Okay, big and are in a balanced pH state, so they do not cause skin irritations. So a poor, so here balanced pH state, so they do not cause skin irritations. A poor pH balance in soap can cause skin irritations. Just write the spelling whatever it is given. Thank you.